Right, so I would like us to learn how to construct 90 degrees angle on a given line. Okay, 90 degrees. So looking at that, say construct angle ABC equals 90 degrees on the line AB, which is 7 centimeters. Okay, so the letter that is in the middle is at which you are going to construct the 90 degrees. So when you construct the 90 degrees, we would like to also construct 45 degrees. Okay, 45 degrees, so that we learn how to bisect angles. Okay, for you to be able to construct 45 degrees, you must know how to construct what 90 degrees first, and that should be on the line AB. So with the construction of line, we know it already. Draw a line. You just draw a line first. Okay, no measurement, you just draw very long one of that, after which you measure what 7 centimeters from your rule. Put your rule down or hold it and measure 7 centimeters from 0 to 7 centimeters on the rule. Now stand at a point on the line and strike an arc, make it arc. Then stand on the arc you have constructed and then make an arc as well. Then label it A, B. And the question says we should construct what 90 degrees at B. This is what it's telling you. So take your pair of compasses. We see the arc at B, stand on it and draw a semicircle on the baseline, the line AB. Have you seen that? So what you have drawn here is what we learned something. This angle in a straight line, right? So that's 180. Now to get 90, you have to divide 180. You have to bisect 180. So how do we bisect? We have two ways. So let's learn the first one. With that same radius you used to draw the 180, stand at one arm. So angles are having arm. This is one arm of the angle and this is the second one. So I'll draw an arc to cut the 180. Then I also come and stand at the second arm, draw an arc to cut the 180. So we have two arcs. Stand on the arc. You can be with any convenience radius or the same radius. Draw an arc. Okay, then you come and stand on the second arc as well and draw an arc to bisect the first one. After you've done that, take your rule and then get the intersection of the two arcs you have constructed here and draw a line through it to B, exactly to B. Okay, so I'm going to draw that line. All right, so I will label here C. Okay, the no dimension is given. So okay, this is angle ABC. It means the angle here is what 90 and the angle here is also 90. But when we are doing construction, we always look for interior angle. Okay, so let us now divide this 90. As I say, angles have what arms. This is the first one arm of the 90 degrees and this is the second arm of the 90 degrees. So that to bisect an angle you have to stand on the arms, okay, with any convenience radius. So I'm standing here, the first arm standing here. Open the compass to any convenience radius. What are we doing? We are bisecting 90 degrees. So we are dividing to two equal parts. So I'll strike an arc with that radius. With that same radius, I'll come and stand on the second arm of the 90 degrees where the arc cast touch the second arm and draw and construct an arc to bisect the first one. After I've done that, I'll now take my rule and locate intersection, exactly intersection of the arcs. All right, and I draw a line through it to B. Okay, so it should pass through exactly the center. So I'll do that, passing through exactly the center of this. So from here to here is what 45 degrees, and then from here to here is also 45 degrees. So the whole of this from here to here is what we refer to as 90 degrees. Do have a nice day. See you soon. Bye.